lived a dragon named Dazzle, as sniffly as could be. He wasn't very scary, he wasn't very mean, but he sneezed the biggest sneezes you've ever seen. ACHOO! He'd roar and tumble the pebbles all over the floor. Instead of flames shooting fierce and bright, out pop sparkles of rainbow light. The knights would run and stop and stare. Is that glitter floating in the air? Villagers gingle, oh dear, oh my, your sneeze just painted the sky. He tried warm soup and honey tea,